A worn squeegee edge doesn't just wear out. It shows up in every print after it. Streaks, uneven ink deposit, print quality that drifts shift to shift. It usually isn't the machine, it's the blade. This is the ATMA S-Series digital squeegee grinder, built to put a flat, straight, sharp edge back on every blade in minutes. Set your grinding count and feed in depth on the touch panel. The machine reads the squeegee's length and level on its own, then grinds to that setting, automatically, every time. A Dual-Fineness diamond wheel does the work. Coarse first, then fine. Fast, balanced, and vibration-free even at high speed. Guided by precision rails, the result is a grinding accuracy as tight as plus or minus 0.05 millimeters on the S200D. Flat, straight, sharp, every single time. Auto-reversing suction clears the debris as it grinds. A protected wheel cover stops the machine the instant it's opened. The S-Series comes in 3 sizes: 1000, 1500, and 2000 millimeters of grinding stroke. One platform, one control system, matched to the length of squeegee you actually run. A sharper blade means a cleaner print. A cleaner print means fewer rejects, fewer reruns, and a squeegee that lasts longer between grinds. The ATMA S-Series digital squeegee grinder. Supplied, installed, and supported by Sunstar graphics. 40 years in India's print industry. Here when your machine needs attention. To see the S-Series in person, contact Sunstar Graphics today.